Hi guys, welcome back to another video on Solution Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Discord mobile notifications not working, making problem solving simple and easy to follow. First of all, open the Discord app on your mobile phone. Make sure you're logged in to the correct account. This method works for both Android and iOS users. After the app opens, go to the bottom right side. Here you'll see your profile or user icon. Tap on it to open your account settings area. Now look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the settings or gear icon there. Tap on it to enter Discord's main settings menu. Inside settings, you'll see a search option at the top. Tap on the search bar to quickly find the option we need. This makes the process faster and easier. In the search bar, type notifications. As soon as the notifications option appears, tap on it. This will open all notification-related settings. Now, carefully check all notification options here. Make sure every important notification toggle is enabled. Turning these on will fix most Discord notification issues, and that's how you can easily fix Discord mobile notifications not working. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, comment below if you're still facing issues or want another Discord tutorial.